Today, I've got something super exciting for you, WPS Office Premium. Now, if you've been using the free version of WPS Office, you already know it's a fantastic tool for writing documents, crunching numbers, and creating presentations. However, here's the deal right now. You can get up to 71% off on WPS Office Pro and the WPS AI. That's not just a discount, it's a steal. In my opinion, this is a deal you don't want to miss. So, what's the deal with Premium? Is it worth the upgrade? And what exactly do you get? Stick with me and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Plus, I'll show you how to grab this exclusive deal using the special link in the description. Alright, let's start with the basics. WPS Office Premium is the upgraded version of WPS Office, and it's designed for people who want to take their productivity to the next level. Think of it as the free version on steroids. You still get all the core tools like WPS Writer, Spreadsheet, Presentation, and PDF, but Premium adds a ton of advanced features that make your work faster, easier, and honestly, way more enjoyable. It's super affordable, especially with the deal I'm about to share. Alright, here's the exciting part. Right now, WPS Office is offering up to 71% off on Premium, depending on where you're buying from. To claim this deal, all you have to do is click the special link in the description below. It'll take you to our affiliate page where you can see the exact discount available in your region, click the Back to School promotion, and enter the discount code to apply it. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait too long to take advantage of it. The 71% off deal won't last forever, so if you've been thinking about upgrading, now is the perfect time to do it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your productivity and workflow with WPS Office Premium. If you watch this video and the Go Back to School deal is over, you can still use the special discount from this affiliate link, which ranges between 40% to 60%, depending on the time of year and the region you're watching from. But first, let me show you what makes Premium so special. With this deal, you're not just getting a premium product, you're getting it at a price that won't break the bank. Let's talk features, because this is where WPS Office Premium really shines. First up, no more ads. If you've been using the free version, you know how those ads can pop up at the worst times. With Premium, it's just you and your work, with no distractions or interruptions. Next, let's talk about PDF tools. This is a game changer. You can edit PDFs directly, merge or split them, and even convert them into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. Need to secure a document? You can add watermarks or password protect your PDFs. It's like having a full-blown PDF editor built right in. And then there's cloud storage. Premium gives you up to 20 gigabytes of cloud storage so you can save your files and access them from anywhere. Whether you're working from your laptop, phone, or tablet, your files are always just a click away. Oh, and let's not forget the templates. Premium unlocks over 10,000 professional templates for resumes, reports, presentations, you name it. These templates are a huge time saver, making your work look polished and professional. And here's a feature I personally love, multi-device sync. You can start a document on your laptop, tweak it on your phone, and finish it on your tablet. It's seamless and it just works. Finally, for all my team players out there, Premium includes collaboration tools. You can share documents, work on them in real time, and even leave comments. It's like having a virtual office no matter where you are. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need to upgrade? And honestly, it depends on how you use WPS Office. If you're just doing basic tasks like writing a quick document or making a simple spreadsheet, the free version is excellent. But if you're someone who works with PDFs regularly, needs cloud storage, or wants a more professional workspace, Premium is a no-brainer. And with this 71% off deal, it's more affordable than ever. Seriously, you're getting all these advanced tools for less than the cost of a coffee a month. If you're worried about the price, consider this. The time and effort you'll save with Premium's advanced features could easily outweigh the monthly subscription fee. So, is WPS Office Premium worth it? Let me put it this way. If you're someone who values productivity, loves having advanced tools at your fingertips, and wants to work smarter, not harder, then yes, it's absolutely worth it. The advanced PDF tools alone are worth the upgrade. Add in the cloud storage, templates, and ad-free experience, and it's honestly a steal, especially with this discount. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of WPS Office Premium and why this 71% off deal is too good to pass up. I will also include a 30-day free trial link in the description below for those who don't have it yet and would like to try it out before purchasing the Pro version. Click the link in the description to claim your discount and start enjoying all the premium features today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. And check out our next video, where I'll show you how to create stunning presentations using WPS Office. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!